Huawei Mate 20 Pro sold out during first round of sale on Amazon. Huawei has announced that Huawei Mate 20 Pro, touted in the media reports as the king of smartphones, has sold out completely during the first round of sale on Amazon. Huawei has partnered with Chroma for its offline strategy and will also be organizing road shows between December 4th and December 16th to give customers an exclusive experience of the smartphone. OnePlus 5G phone to be among the first with a Snapdragon 855. OnePlus has announced that their unnamed 2019 flagship will be among the first smartphones to use the Snapdragon 855 chipset, with help from UK-based carrier E. It would also be Europe's first 5G phone. They further said, reportedly, the 5G OnePlus device will not be the official OnePlus 7 but will rather be a part of a separate product line. Huawei CFO, daughter of Huawei Founder, arrested in Canada. Meng Wanzhou, the chief financial officer of Huawei and daughter of Founder Ren Zhengfei, has been arrested in Canada, reportedly on suspicion that she violated U.S. trade sanctions. This comes after U.S. President Donald Trump signed a bill that would ban government agencies from using several Huawei products. Meng is being sought for extradition by the U.S. Canada said. China's state media calls Huawei CFO arrest a despicable rogue act. China's state media called technology giant Huawei's CFO Meng Wanzhou's arrest in Canada despicable rogue's approach. Obviously, Washington is resorting to a despicable rogue's approach as it cannot stop Huawei's 5G advance in the market, newspaper Global Times said. The U.S. is trying to do whatever it can to contain Huawei's expansion in the world, China Daily said.